Today I'm showing you how to turn off audio description on MX Player so you can watch videos without the voice narration. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your video that you're currently watching in MX Player on your device. Step 2. Show playback controls. Tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the playback controls. You'll see various buttons and options appear on your screen. Step 3. Access the menu. Look for the three-dot menu icon. This is usually located in either the top right corner or bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open the options menu. Step 4. Navigate to audio tracks. In the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Audio Track, Audio, or something similar. Tap on it to view all available audio tracks for your video. Step 5. Choose the right audio track. You'll see a list of audio track options. The track with audio description is typically labeled Audio Description, AD, or Descriptive Audio. Select the audio track without audio description. This is usually labeled Original, Main Audio, or just the language name, like English. Once you select the correct track, the change takes effect immediately. The audio description voice will stop, and you'll hear only the original audio track of the video. And that's it. You've successfully disabled audio description on MX Player. If it turns back on for future videos, just repeat these simple steps.